is a graduate of the National Defence Academy, Pune. He was commissioned into the flying branch in December 1976 and has more than 10,400 flying hours on fighter aircraft. He is an alumnus of the Defence Services Staff College and has graduated from the Air War College, USA. He has served as our Assistant Defence Advisor at the High Commission of India in Dhaka. We are equally fortunate to have with us today two of the foremost historians of the IAF, Mr. P.V.S. Jagan Mohan and Air Commodore Vikram Singh, the authors of the two books being released jointly at today's book launch. Mr. Jagan Mohan is an author and a leading historian of the Indian Air Force. He is co-author of two books on the IAF's Air Wars, the India-Pakistan Air War of 1965 and Eagles over Bangladesh. In 2007, he was awarded the Chief of Air Staff Commendations by the Indian Air Force for his contribution to IAF history, which is a rare honor for civilian historians. Jagan maintains a presence on the internet as the co-editor of the BharatRakshak.com defense portal. He also catalogues the vintage aircraft scene in India through his website Warbirds of India. The Westland Wapiti in the IAF is his first book devoted to the pre-independence era. Originally from Hyderabad, Jagan is currently living in Delaware, USA, along with his family members, wife and two daughters. His book comes about with the help of a grant from the Palit Memorial Trust. The Westland Wapiti Army Cooperation Aeroplane was the first aircraft type on which the Indian Air Force was raised in 1933. Its service in India is synonymous with the early history of the IAF. All the IAF officers and airmen who trained in England, who formed the foundation of the Indian Air Force, cut their teeth on this aircraft. Despite that, very little is known about the early days. The Westland Wapiti in the Indian Air Force is the first and the only book devoted to this much neglected aircraft. Till date, there has been no attempt to chronicle the aircraft's history. The early days of the IAF have always been clouded by the fog of time. With the aid of previously unseen and unpublished archives and resources, this book lays the history in clear light for the first time in 80 years. Air Commodore Vikram Singh, VSM, was awarded the CFHR Maharana Pratap Chair to work on the history of the iconic Spitfire fighter in the IAF service. Vikram is a serving fighter pilot and test pilot of the Indian Air Force. Born in an Air Force family, he developed an abiding love for all things aviation from a very young age and expresses himself in aviation art and now writing. His areas of interest are the golden age of aviation, the 1940s to the 1970s. Although he has written extensively on the IAF's Westland Wapiti, Hawker Tempest and the HF Maru, this is his first book. Spitfires in the Sun is a self-contained volume on everything about the Spitfire in India, and particularly the Indian Air Force's Spitfires from their first arrival in the country in October 1942 to the phase-out of the last IAF Spitfires in September 1957. This book covers a major gap in the history of the Spitfire, especially the role of the RAAF Spitfires in Burma, the fate of numerous ex-RAF examples left behind after the war, and also others purchased after independence. The book is based on painstaking research, detailed unit histories gleaned from squadron ORPs, first-person accounts, 29 color slides, views, and rare photographs and maps complete with one-of-a-kind book. I now hand you over to Squadron Leader China to carry forward the proceedings today. Over to you, Rana.